Case of Department of Finance v. Asia, United Bank centers on a significant regulatory conflict in the banking sector. In 2011, the Department of Finance and the Bureau of Internal Revenue issued Revenue Regulations No. 42011, requiring banks and financial institutions to allocate costs and expenses among their various income-earning units for income tax purposes. This move was met with immediate resistance from Asia United Bank and several other major banks, who argued that the regulation lacked a proper legal foundation. They filed a petition for declaratory relief before the regional trial court, challenging the authority of the DOF and BIR to impose such allocation rules. This set the stage for a legal battle that would clarify the limits of administrative rulemaking in tax law. The heart of the bank's challenge was Section 50 of the National Internal Revenue Code. This section is typically used for transfer pricing adjustments between entities controlled by the same interests. The banks argued that Section 50 does not apply to internal divisions within a single taxpayer, such as the cost centers of a bank. The regional trial court agreed with this interpretation, declaring RR 42011 void for exceeding the statutory authority granted by law. This decision underscored the principle that administrative agencies cannot create new obligations or expand the law beyond what the legislature intended. The RTC's ruling was a pivotal moment, signaling that regulatory power has clear boundaries. On appeal, the Supreme Court affirmed the RTC's decision, making it clear that the Department of Finance and the Bureau of Internal Revenue had overstepped their rulemaking authority. The court emphasized that Section 50 allows the commissioner to allocate income and deductions only to prevent tax evasion, or to clearly reflect income among related but separate entities, not within the internal cost centers of a single corporation. Attempting to impose an accounting method not grounded in any statutory mandate, RR 42011 was deemed an unlawful expansion of the law. This ruling reinforces the doctrine that administrative regulations must strictly conform to the statutes they implement, ensuring that agencies cannot create obligations beyond what the legislature has authorized. The decision serves as a crucial reminder of the limits of administrative power in tax regulation.